this video, I'm not gonna do a full painting. I'm just gonna demonstrate how to do two different types of evergreen trees because they can be kind of hard in the beginning. So I have a canvas here from yesterday. I scraped everything off of it and I just smoothed it back out again, so it's still wet. You can see. If you have a new canvas, just cover it with liquid white or cover it with liquid clear, whatever you want. And then I mixed up a pile of paint here. You want to mix it into like pretty big pile because you do need a lot of paint. And hopefully this dark color shows up against that. I did add white. So you just I'm going to use a fan brush and you just want to load it up. Both sides, a lot of paint. You can wiggle it through. And then what you want to do, just tap, create a little guideline for you, and then you want to take just the corner, and first I'm going to do the ones where the branches go down. You take just the corner, lightly touch, and then just go back and forth. And you use more pressure as you go down. And it does take practice. It does look easy, but it can be difficult in the beginning, just till you get a feel for, the brush and stuff. I'll do another one. Touch. Put your little line. And really load a lot of paint on the brush. Don't be stingy with the paint. You can see how much paint is on there. Alright, so again, corner. Back and forth. That. And you just keep practicing this over and over and over again. You could just take a whole canvas and just put just all trees on it, and then scrape them all off and spread it back out with the big brush, and then do it again. So I'll put another one here. Hopefully this is showing up. Touch. So that gives you a bit, and try to leave spaces between the branches and stuff. Don't just cover, don't just do something like this. That's what you tend to do in the beginning, because then it has no, realness to it, no definition. So I'll show one more of those slowly. Here, touch, make your little line, and they get better over time, the more you do them, like anything. So take the corner, touch lightly, work back and forth. Like that. See, that's probably the best one, those two. And now we'll do the other kind, the ones where you push up instead of down. So these ones, you're bending the bristles down. So I could show against a tissue here. You're bending the bristles like that. The other kind you want to push up like that. I don't know if that showed up, but same thing, you want to start with your line. And you want to take the corner again, just push up. And work back and forth, same way. But there you can see the branches go up instead of down. And I kind of like those ones better. I mean, they're both cool, but I'll do another one. And these ones were kind of trickier for me in the beginning. I don't know why, but let's do one here. You can see, touch, put your line. And you could do these with different brushes. You don't just have to use the fan brush, but it does give you probably the most detail. And okay, so hope you can see. Just push up the corner to start. Again. You can see going up. You could come back and fill in spaces and whatnot. So I'll do one more of those. Down here, next to that one. Touch. And that line doesn't have to be perfect or anything. Touch the corner, push up. Up. Same thing, work back and forth. More pressure as you get lower. Just go up. And if you want, I don't really have, I'm just using some leftover color here from yesterday's painting. If you want to put like a trunk in there, just go up, and you know, just here and there, touch, and I'll put one here with the knife, just wherever. And then what you can do is go through a little paint thinner, very little, and then you can, as I said, I don't really have colors here, so you can just take a lighter color and do your highlights. This isn't that much lighter, but hopefully it'll show up. I'll just show you, and you do the highlights the same way you made the tree. So in this case, you would push up, and you don't want to let me just get some white just so that shows up. You don't want to cover up all your dark, because again, then your tree has no depth. So you go through some paint thinner, and then with the keep the dark on the brush that you originally had to make the trees, because then when you go through your light, it'll mix with that and it won't be too light. But for this case, this example, I'm just using white, doesn't really matter. So what you want to do, same thing, start with the corner, and these ones, just push up, like that. Might need more paint thinner. If the paint's not sticking or coming off easily, just add paint thinner. A little bit. Always start with a little. And then these ones where you go down, start here. And again, that's not the best example, but that's how you do it. And I'll do this one here. Just push up. You want to go less pressure as you work down to get darker. Do this one here. And you just keep practicing and they'll get better. Do one more. Do this one here. Something like that. So I'm probably gonna make more of these videos on the separate aspects of like the Bob Ross style landscape paintings, like clouds and mountains and stuff like that. Stuff that I know. I've only been doing this for a few months, so by no means have I mastered it, but if anyone could get some help from it, that'll be cool. So watch my other videos. I have other painting videos, music videos, stuff like that. And like, share, subscribe, all that, and thanks for watching.